Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 best dog food in 2025. In this video, we will delve into the quality, nutrition, and customer feedback of dog food compared to these foods to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Blue Buffalo Life Protection Formula Adult Dry Dog Food. This is 30 pounds. The bag features a beef and brown rice recipe, perfect for your furry friend. Blue Buffalo uses high-quality beef as the first ingredient. This ensures your dog gets the best protein source, helping to build and maintain strong muscles. This formula is specifically designed for adult dogs. It provides the necessary nutrients to keep your dog healthy and active, supporting overall well-being. The exclusive Life Source bits are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. These ingredients boost your dog's immune system, keeping them healthy and happy. Blue Buffalo avoids chicken byproducts, corn, wheat, and soy. This ensures your dog gets only the best natural ingredients in their diet. In conclusion, Blue Buffalo Life Protection Formula is a fantastic choice for adult dogs. With real beef, essential nutrients, and wholesome ingredients, your dog will thrive. Number 4. The IAMS Adult Minichunks. Small kibble high protein. Dry dog food with real chicken. This is 30 pounds. The bag promises complete and balanced nutrition for your furry friend. IAMS Minichunks offer 100% complete and balanced nutrition for adult dogs. With no fillers, it supports vibrant whole body health, enriched with essential nutrients and antioxidants for a strong immune system. This dry dog food is crafted with a tailored blend of natural fiber and prebiotics. It ensures healthy digestion, making it a great choice for dogs with sensitive stomachs. Formulated to support whole body health, IAMS Minichunks include 7 essential nutrients. These nutrients help maintain a healthy heart, ensuring your dog stays active and happy. Enriched with antioxidants, this recipe helps maintain a strong immune system. Your dog will be better equipped to fight off illnesses and stay healthy. In conclusion, overall, IAMS Adult Minichunks are a fantastic choice for adult dogs. With real chicken and a focus on whole body health, it's a nutritious and delicious option for your pet. Number 3. The Pedigree Complete Nutrition Adult Dry Dog Food, Grilled Steak and Vegetable Flavor. Let's dive into what makes this 18-pound bag a fantastic choice for your furry friend. Pedigree's grilled steak and vegetable flavor is a hit with dogs. It combines whole grains, protein, and vegetable accents, making every meal delicious and satisfying for your pet. This recipe is packed with 36 essential vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. It supports your dog's overall health and vitality, ensuring they stay active and happy. Pedigree Complete Nutrition offers a 100% balanced diet for adult dogs. It's designed to provide all the nutrients your dog needs for a healthy and fulfilling life. Enriched with omega-6 fatty acid and zinc, this dog food helps maintain a shiny coat and healthy skin, keeping your dog looking their best. In conclusion, so if you're looking for a nutritious and tasty option for your dog, Pedigree Complete Nutrition Adult Dry Dog Food is a great choice. Number 2. The ORIJEN Original Dry Dog Food, grain-free dog food for all life stages, fresh or raw ingredients, 23.5 pounds. ORIJEN's formula is packed with 85% animal protein, including chicken, turkey, salmon, whole herring, and chicken liver. These ingredients provide essential vitamins and minerals for your dog's overall well-being. This dry dog food is nutrient-dense, designed to support immune function, digestion, and a healthy skin and coat. It's perfect for dogs of all ages, ensuring they get the best nutrition. ORIJEN includes whole prey ingredients like organs and bones, mimicking a natural diet. This approach ensures your dog gets the most succulent and nutrient-rich parts of the prey. Quality is a top priority for ORIJEN. This dog food is made in the USA with high-quality ingredients sourced from around the world, ensuring safety and nutrition. In conclusion, ORIJEN Original Dry Dog Food is a fantastic choice for your furry friend. Its high-quality ingredients and nutrient-dense formula make it a top pick. Number 1. The Hills Science Diet Small and Mini, Adult 1 to 6, Chicken and Brown Rice Dry Dog Food. This premium nutrition is perfect for your small breed dogs. First up, this dog food is made with highly digestible ingredients. It's gentle on your small dog's stomach, ensuring they get the nutrients they need without any discomfort. Next, it provides high-quality protein to help maintain lean muscle in small breed dogs. This is crucial for keeping your furry friend strong and active. The omega-6s and vitamin E in this food promote beautiful skin and a shiny coat. Your dog will look as good as they feel. Made in the USA with global ingredients you can trust, Hill's Science Diet ensures quality and safety in every bag. Lastly, it's the #1 veterinarian recommended brand. You can feel confident knowing you're giving your dog the best. In conclusion, if you want premium nutrition for your small breed dog, Hill's Science Diet is a fantastic choice. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.